Okay, so I finally got the Ryujin exhaust on. Wasn't the easiest process, no instructions included, but it actually all did work out as Mr. T said. So here we go into the pipes, which when you connect them, they don't fit in really nice. You take Steve's advice and you flip that flange right there, 180 it, and then they slip in. After that piece of knowledge, I ended up getting them easily into the ports, and I just snugged down the nuts just to keep them in place. And then after I lined up all the pipes, I brought the collector over, and with the help of my lovely wife, she worked the tail while I worked the collector onto the 4 pipes. And as she was wiggling and I was wiggling, we had managed to, by the luck of God, get them all in. And they actually slid all the way in. So after that, I took out my heavy-duty needle nose pliers and I pulled the springs in on both sides. And then it seemed to be done. I then used the factory mount right here, and I hooked it, pipe on the outside underneath the peg. I'm sorry, pipe on the inside. The hanger is on the inside behind the peg, and just tightened it up with a lock washer. And that's all great, but really you guys aren't here to look at it, you want to hear it. So let's take a little walk over here, turn this on. Got a little oil light there on for some reason, don't know. And as you can see, there's only 7 miles on it. I haven't even broken this in yet, so I haven't had a chance. And that's actually, I wasn't able to take a ride today because the center stand stopper is not holding its place, so I have to figure out something else. I know where it's supposed to go, but I can't get it to hold its place. I'm thinking maybe a larger rubber stopper on the piece, on the plate itself, might do the trick. At any rate, enough. Let's hear this pipe. That's 3.5 RPMs. 4,000. Thank you very much, honey, for helping
have a horrible picture.